First, let's power on the camera. Press the power button, and you'll see the Hello Camera interface. If it's the first time you're using the SD card, you need to format it. Press the OK menu button to enter the photo settings, then navigate left to reach the System Settings page. Scroll down and select the option for formatting. After completing the formatting step, press the Mode button to access the shooting function. Press it again to switch to the video recording function. If you want to configure the recording settings, enter the menu, and you'll find the relevant recording options there. Now, back to the shooting mode. The camera has a dedicated shooting button for taking pictures. If you want to view the photos you've taken, press the Mode button again, and you'll be able to access the playback mode. The operation of the Wi-Fi button is straightforward. Just press it to turn the Wi-Fi function on or off. If you wish to delete some photos, press the Delete button. The most recently taken photos will be displayed, and then press the OK button to confirm the deletion. When you're taking photos, you can choose different filters by simply rotating the top ring button. This allows you to add unique visual effects to your pictures.